Okay, here's this camera. It's a Sony A6000, and I'm not sure what happened, but this camera has more zoom than it should have. So if you enter the menu, second page and third page, here we have zoom settings. Currently it's set to optical zoom only. That should have 3 times optical zoom, but it has that 3 times, which is 50 millimeters, something like that. And then it has, surprise surprise, it has 2 times digital zoom only. I mean also. Okay, let's continue. Clear image zoom, that should have 2 times digital zoom on top of that optical zoom, and it has 4 times instead of 2 times. Okay, that's not enough. The last one, digital zoom, that should have 4 times digital zoom, and surprise surprise, on top of the optical we have, instead of 4, we have 8 times. So who knows what happens to this camera, what happened to it. It has too many features.